Here we have a 2018 18-plate BMW 530D M Sport Touring. Now I do have black kinder grills as well as LED headlights, M Sport styling kit which includes carbon fibre front splitter, side skirting extensions and rear diffuser. Now I do have 4 20-inch alloy wheels which are BMW individual. We also have BMW M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. Now I do have black roof bars as well as black window trim, privacy glass on the rear, front and rear parking sensors, rear reversing camera, dual exhaust flush of the rear bumper and rear diffuser. Now if you come to the back, open the boot, we do have power assisted rear tailgate. We do have a very big spacious sized boot with 12-volt connectivity on the right hand side, and we also have the luggage load liner just there as well. We have a storage net that goes up as well. Now it is power assisted back down again. As you can see, works just as you would expect it to. Now being a BMW Touring, underneath the wiper arm there is a button, and we do have a split fold tailgate, so it makes life easier for just chucking luggage into the back. Pop that down again. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look absolutely superb from every angle. Now if you head on in to the rear of the car, we do have full leather seats throughout with ISOFIX points, pull down leather armrests with 2 nice size cup holders. Now we do also have storage behind the driver and passenger seat, as well as vents in the centre, 2 storage holders and also 12-volt connectivity just down there. Now the rear seats do fold down, the button just there as well. Now we do have integrated Harman Kardon speakers in the rear, as well as a beautiful wood trim just there as well, with ambient lighting underneath. We also have electric windows there as well. Coming to the front of the car, there's a look at the driver's full leather seat, which is incredibly comfortable. It's actually the soft seat optional extra that you can get with these vehicles, which is also heated, electric and memory. Now if you come to the door again we have the beautiful wooden trim with ambient lighting underneath, with integrated Harman Kardon speakers, power folding mirrors and also electric windows. Jump inside the car, just down there we have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start, and as you can see it is free from any warning lights on the dash. Now this vehicle has done just over 75,000 miles. If you come down to the steering wheel, it is a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just there, as well as your phone, microphone, and different mode for your radio or media connectivity. Now I also have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode, as well as auto wipers. Then we have the information just there, which is a button on the end, which you can change for all those different settings. Coming to the centre, we do have satellite navigation, as well as media connectivity, where we have DAB radio, FM, AM, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, and also USB. Now we also have phone connectivity, as well as maps, and this being touchscreen as well, which makes life easier if you need to zoom in and out and also search for different areas as well. Now we do have different drive modes. We have Eco Pro, Comfort, and Sport. If you put the car into reverse, you can see the front and rear parking sensors on the left hand side and the rear reversing camera just there as well. Now I do have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to. We also have ice cold aircon just there as well. We do have 2 heated front seats, so for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference. Again, we have that beautiful wooden trim just there as well. Now we do have storage just in there where the spare key is, as well as 2 nice size cup holders with USB and 12-volt connectivity. We'll push that back and that will close again. Now we do have this, which controls everything that happens on the screen, as well as being touchscreen, as well as traction control on and off with drive mode select, parking sensors, also electric parking brake with auto hold. Then we have soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well, which is controlled from the button just there. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather seat with the extra padding on the headrest as well. Now these are very, very comfortable seats, as you can see by the look of them. We do have extended thigh support if you may need it, and again, do also memory function just there, same as the driver's side just there as well. Again, we have that individual trim on the dashboard, which really does make this car stand out. Now, this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530d M Sport Touring. Now, the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives as it should. As you can see, I'm not having to fire with the steering wheel. It's keeping it straight line, it is dead centre. Now, I do have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel. To activate, simply press the top button and then it'll go to the nearest miles an hour to what you're currently driving at. Push up very slightly, it'll adjust by 1. Push up until you feel a click and it'll adjust to the nearest 5 miles an hour. To cancel, simply press the brake or tap the button again and then it will cancel. Now, we do have paddle shift, so I'm going to take over. So I'm now in 4th, 3rd, slowing down for the roundabout, I'll go into 2nd, and then I'm going to let the car take back over by just letting go of the paddle shift. So now I'm at the roundabout, I'm going to take a left as you would if you're driving this vehicle today. Now, we do have a very smooth gearbox, which is automatic, which you can also put into manual mode by the paddle shift and by the gear stick. So if you push the gear stick to the left, it will either go into S or M. S meaning sport and M meaning manual. So to change down, simply push away from me and it'll go into 3rd, pull towards me, now in 4th, and to cancel and let the car take back over, simply push back to the right. Now, I do have a full digital dash, so which means when you go into Eco Pro mode, it'll then change the dash by the looks of it and it'll go blue, as well as the dials change. Put it into comfort, it goes grey. When you put it into sport, it gives you that sporty look and it's also red. Put that back into comfort mode. Now, I do have very comfortable optional extra comfort seats in this vehicle. You can easily do 2, 3, 4, even 500 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. They're also heated, so for those cold winter mornings, it really does make all of the difference. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader. And if you read through the reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now, I'm coming up to the industrial estate. I'm going to take it right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop just during the brake work as they should, and so the front and rear parking sensors and the rear reversing camera. So about to pull in now, I'm just going to wait for some traffic to pass, and then I'll be able to pull in. So then, I'm just pulling in now. I'll go hard onto the brakes. In 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes. No issues whatsoever. You can see the rear camera and the front and rear parking sensors are back into drive. Again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if we haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer all of your questions that we may not have answered, and they can also book you in for an appointment to either view, test drive or both of your selected vehicle. But that's it for me, so thank you very much for watching.